How to deactivate Roblox account. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to take a temporary break from Roblox? If yes, then I have got some exciting news for you. Roblox recently rolled out a new update giving you the feature to deactivate your account. Without further ado, let's learn how to deactivate your Roblox account. Open the Roblox app on your mobile device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the three horizontal dots at the bottom to access the More section. Scroll down to the end, tap on Settings, then go to Privacy. Scroll down until you find Account Deactivation and Deletion section. As I mentioned earlier, this is a new update and it may or may not be available to you yet. So if it's not available, be patient and look out for the update. But if it is available, tap on the Deactivate button. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are sure about deactivating your account. Keep in mind that deactivating your account is reversible. While deactivated, your profile will be hidden and you will not be able to use Roblox. If you are sure about that, tap Deactivate. A one-time code will be sent to your registered email. Please enter your one-time code to continue. It will be of 6 digits. Once you enter the 6-digit code, the account deactivation process will initiate. And there you have it, you have successfully learned how to deactivate your Roblox account. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.